welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're opening up a couple of NEX Welly 124 scale trucks. So these are pickup trucks. Now these are 2024 release. They've recently come on the shelf, probably in the last month or so in my area, and I've been able to pick up a couple. So, well, one of each. Let's start with the Ford F150 Regular Cab. We'll put the Jeep. We've got a 1947 Jeep Willys pickup there. Now, I have noticed that this particular one is a 124. Now, the reason I say that is because on a previous video where I had a Silverado and it was a Jeep Renegade, I think, they were 127 scale and 129 scale. This, though, being a Ford F150 124, very happy with that, which means it matches all my other vehicles. So let's take a look and see what this one actually looks like. I'm glad they've gone back to just 124. But if you do look on the website for the Welly cars, they do list their cars as being a range of sizes. 124 to 127, I think. And then they came out with a 129, which I was quite disappointed. But I guess the Silverado dual cab thing is quite large. All right, plastic is stuck on that. Let's get that out of the way. I did notice that this, probably one unlike any other that I've seen before, the wheels are actually inside the cardboard. Now, I think it's different because these are so much larger. They're the same box size as all the other cars. So, yeah, well done. Okay. How to overcome problems. Don't make a bigger container. Just put some cutouts for the wheels to go in. Very nice. Now, as far as I know, there's only one colour, white. But now that you've got the die cast, or the die, you can now come out with future colours. So I wouldn't be surprised that we will see a future one of these in a different colour. F150 badge on the side. Actually feels considerably, I guess it is a ute or utility vehicle or truck, as you want to call it, pickup. Steering wheel does make the thing move. We've got decent opening doors. Driver side, we do have a sticker for the dash. I'm going to have to get closer pictures for that. And we have Ford badge on the steering wheel. 3-seater. It's a decent grille on these things, isn't it? Lights with chrome edging. Driving lights there as well. Does the tailgate come down? It does too. Oh my god. That's awesome. I don't know why that makes my day, but that's better. Alright. Suspension? Negative. Alright, so how does this go in? Does it go up and over and then down? Yep, okay, so probably should actually lift and down. Yep, okay, up and that'll hold it in place. Well done. Yeah, I like it. We have Ford written on the center of the wheels. We do actually have some disc brakes with calipers, silver calipers, or grey calipers, silver disc brakes. Underneath, spare wheel, 1524 release. We do have our rear muffler and exhaust pipe in silver, and then the rest is black. Don't mind it at all. That looks awesome. All right, let's go and have a look at the 47 Jeep Willys pickup. I saw this and went, really? Why? Yeah, I don't know. And then I thought, you know what? That's pretty cool, to be honest. That's something that you wouldn't see too much of. Kind of reminded me of the Lego pickup truck that they had out in the last couple of years. I think it was a flower truck and had stuff in the back. It was about the same colour. And I thought, okay, well, the old trucks are quite popular these days. I've not seen a 47 Jeep Willys though. But from what I've seen on their website, they've got a bunch of Jeep Willys models available. White steering wheel. You see that? Yeah, and a chrome strip down the front. Chrome mirrors. Again, the wheels are poking out in order to make a large vehicle still fit height-wise. Which you can see that we've still got some clearance there. Alright, windows are wound down. Got a strip holding the door in place. Doesn't look like the bonnet or hood comes up. We'll test the tailgate on that one as well. Let's get that aside. Oh, that is light. Oh, that feels really light. That's got to be the lightest Welly car I've got, I would imagine. If you want to call it a car. Model. Probably the lightest Welly model so far. 4-wheel drive written on the front there. Okay. Wow. That's old school stuff, isn't it? Not much under there. But there's your 4-wheel drive system. Or rear diff to somewhere in there and then into the gearbox. Also we have something red poking through there. Ah, right, that's for the steering. Okay. Does it make the steering wheel work? Yes, it does. Like most of these cars, not very much. Nice large doors, black mirrors with actually reflective surface on there. Inside the door's got a bit of a card, that's cool. Single seat and a bench seat. Inside, I don't know if I can get that on camera. Yep. Oh. Looks like the light wanted to catch it and then I gave up. We are running a spare wheel on the side. Wait, do we have a spare wheel? No, on the side. Not much in there. Gear shifters on the floor, probably actually between your gear shifters and your high and low. And lift and drop for the tailgate. That actually goes down a lot further. That's a plastic tailgate. The other one had metal on it. But, or it could be... it feels like plastic on the inside, but it's... No, I think it's just gloss painted on the back. Yeah, good model, to be honest. Not the type I would have probably gone out and got myself normally. Well done with the lights. They look good. Chrome backs on them. Chrome edges. Looks like the driving lights / indicators are painted. Chrome across the front with the rivets that these things came with. Well done. Nice little truck. Now all we need is some sort of one man's collection decal on the door. You know what? I can print decals. Well, I'll let you know in the future if I end up doing that. 47 Willys Jeep. Ford F150. What year was that? 2015. Very nice. I like these. Well done. You have a black part on the top. I don't know what that is for that one. Antenna. Not sure. But these are in store now. They've only just come out, I believe, May, June. Depending on where you are. And I picked them up. And there you go. Do we actually have... No, it doesn't open. Thought it might. And it's just black inside. Well done. Like, comment, subscribe. I will have the, I guess they would be called the vintage selection of Welly cars coming, a video coming up soon. The BMW 2002 and the old school Mercedes-Benz that released in 2024 as well. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Cheers and thanks for watching. Bye.